Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today we are going to solve this exponential root equation. We start by saying solution 4 raised to the power of x equals to root 32. What we do in the left hand side, we put 4 in base 2, which will give us 2 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of x equal to, in law of indices, we have whenever we have root of a is equal to a raised to the power of 1 over 2. And when we apply it to the left hand side, we are going to have 32 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Then if we move further, we can multiply the powers, which will give us 2 raised to the power of 2x equal to, we can express 32 in base 2, which will give us 2 raised to the power of 5 or raised to the power of 1 over 2. We continue, we have 2 raised to the power of 2x equals to 2 raised to the power of 5 times half will give us 5 over 2. Then we compare both sides. When we compare both sides, 2 will cancel 2, left with 2x equals to 5 all over 2. Now, the next step, we have to cross multiply. When we cross multiply, this is over 1, 2 times 2x give us 4x equals to 1 times 5 give us 5. Next step, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4. That is 4x all over 4 equals to 5 all over 4. 4 we cancel 4, left with x equals to 5 all over 4. This is improper fraction. We have to put it in mixed fraction or mixed number, which is x equals to 4 into 5 gives us 1, remainder 1 all over 4. This is the final answer. Now we can check if our answer is correct by putting 5 over 4 in place of x. If we do that, we write check. We have 4 raised to the power of 5 over 4 is equals to root of 32. We can express 4 raised to the power of 5 over 4 as 2 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of 5 all over 4 equals to, if we express root 32, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 5 or raised to the power of 1 over 2. Then if we multiply the power, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 here, 1, 2 into 4, 2, 5 over 2, which is equal to, when we multiply the power of the right hand side, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 5 all over 2. If we compare both sides, they are the same, meaning our answer is correct. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.